Always I think I'll do a list of shame. What do you reckon? Yeah. Jack Blackstone, real name D.H. Evans. Open eyes, open mind. William Clark. Stevie Boy Christie. Yeah, they ought to get a grip, like, you know what I mean? Because what I do is true. Oh, they all be like that, don't they? So, I've got Aliens. Yeah. I've got Grim Reaper. Yeah. I've got Angel. Oh, I like the Angel, don't I? Yes, at the end of Ivory Activities, and it's in a video called Human Faced Angel. So if you want to have a look at that, then you'll see. And if you want to have a look at the video called Alien, you'll see an alien popped up at Stonehenge next to me. So, right there, guys. Everything. Oh, and I'll leave one more link. Entities. Because those are the things that exist within stone circles. So, there's many creatures in there, like. I've only been after answers from the start, you know what I mean? I used to have a video called Mystery Orb Stonehenge. It's stalkers, dust stalkers, and people like William Clark go on it and ruin it for everybody else. Like, so Joe White, because he hasn't got a clue anyway, it's a bit insane for him. He took it down. But we got a video called Stonehenge Strangeness, and the last half of that will be pretty freaky for anybody with a normal mind. So, right. Oh, the noise in the background is Jake. Mine at the end. It's the bird. Jake! Okay. Right. It's enough, I guess, isn't it? Entities. Human-faced angel. Alien. Stonehenge strangeness. Or if you want to check my powers out, abilities, whatever you want to call them, there's a video called Ivory Activities. Okay, all for now. Yeah, the Dust Whisperer. Let's go.